I'm Shuli Porkas, President of the Faculty of Pharmaceutical Medicine, and we're here for the President's Lecture, an event to celebrate and bring together our colleagues and friends within life sciences and pharmaceutical medicine. It's an exciting new event in our calendar, and it's brilliant to be able to bring together the community and also to hear from our fabulous speaker, Dr. David Jeffries, about the future of pharmaceutical medicine.
Hi, I'm Dr. Chitra Kumaruvil and I work at Paraxel as a sub-investigator in First-in-Human Studies. I'm also part of the EDI Forum Committee and I'm today here at the FPM's President's Lecture. The atmosphere here at the National Liberal Club is amazing. I didn't know what to expect out of this event when I came in, but everyone has been so warm and welcoming. Being part of the FPM community means I'm part of a professional family where we support each other and work towards shaping the future of pharmaceutical medicine.
I'm Neil Snowise. I'm a previous FPM board member, and we've just had a lovely evening at the National Liberal Club for the inaugural President's Lecture from David Jeffries, and he gave a very interesting and stimulating presentation. We had a lot of discussion about the points he raised, but as well as that, it's always a pleasure to see ex-colleagues from the FPM and pharmaceutical medicine, and we also meet some new colleagues, and there's been a very wide, eclectic mix of people tonight. It's been a really successful evening, and there's been a buzz in the room the whole night. So congratulations to the FPM and the whole events team for putting this on.